Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll work on packet tracer, configuring IPv6 addressing. In this activity, we will practice configuring IPv6 addresses on router, servers, and clients. We will also practice verifying the IPv6 implementation, and we'll test the connectivities between uh, the all devices. Part 1 will configure IPv6 address on the router. The step 1, we need to enable the router to forward IPv6 packets. By default, router does not forward IPv6 packets, and we need to use the command to enable the router to do so. So the command is IPv6 unicast routing, which is a global configuration command. Let's do it. Click on R1, click on CLI, the command line interface, and we'll hit enter to get started. Enable to enter the privileged mode, and config T to enter the global configuration mode. In this level, we should use the command to enable a router to forward IPv6 packets. The command is IPv6 unicast routing, and hit enter. The step 2, we will configure the IPv6 addressing on the interfaces. We have 3 interfaces here in the router 1, and one is serial and the other is Ethernet. We will start with the Ethernet G0/0. We can take the information from the addressing table. So to do so, we need to enter the interface configuration mode, and we'll type interface G0/0. As we can see, we are at the interface configuration mode. Here we'll put IPv6 address, and we'll take the information from here, copy, and paste, enter. Well, now we will configure the link local IPv6 address. The link local address is a network address that is valid only for communications within the network segment or the broadcast domain that the host is connected to. And the purpose of it is to automatic address configuration and the neighbor discovery protocol. So the command for that is IPv6 address FE. Let's do it. The command for that, as we said, IPv6 address FE80 :1 and link local. Enter. By the way, whenever we configure IPv6 address to an interface, we should set the link local address. Now and after that, we need to active the interface. To active the interface, we'll use the no shutdown command. Hit enter, and this interface became active and up. We'll go to the other interface, which is in the router, which is G0/1. We'll do the same steps. Firstly, we need to exit from the current interface. We'll use the exit command, and then we'll enter to the other interface, which is G0/1. Interface G0/1, and we'll set the IPv6 address, copy, paste, and we'll set the IPv6 address FE80:1 link local, and we'll active the interface by using no shutdown command. We can see the other interface here became up. We'll exit, and the last one we have here is the serial interface S0/0/0, and we'll do enter that interface S0/0/0, enter IPv6 address. For that is this one. Copy, paste, enter, and we'll configure the IPv6 link local address FE80:1 link local, and we'll active the interface. No shutdown. As you can see here, it became active and the link lights turned to green. We'll move on and we'll go to step. We have done step 2, we have done step 3, and we have done step 4. We'll go to part 2, configure IPv6 address on the servers. We have 2 servers here, the accounting and CAT server. We'll start with accounting server. We'll go to, close this one, we'll go to accounting. From here, we'll go to IP configuration, and we'll enter the IPv6 address here for the accounting, this one. Copy. Here is the for IPv4, and here for IPv6. So we will use this one since we already was using the setting the IPv6. Paste, and here is the prefix, which is 64, and we need to set the default gateway for the IPv6 address. Here is this one. Copy, paste, and that's it. This for the server. And for CAT server, we'll do the same, desktop, ipconfig. And for CAT, this one is the IP address. Copy, paste, and the prefix is 64, and the default gateway FE80:1. We have done this one. We'll move forward, and I've done for the server, and we have here C is the IPv6 gateway to the link local address, this one, and we did for both server. Part 3 is configure IPv6 addressing on the clients. We will start with, we have the sales, billing, design, and engineering. We'll start with here with the engineering. Click, desktop, ipconfig. For engineering is this one. Copy, paste, and 64. Sorry, it's for billing, no problem. I started with engineering. I will configure the billing now. And the IPv6 and the set the IPv6 default gateway. This one, FE80:1. and we'll go to billing. This is the address, copy, go to billing, desktop, IP configuration, 64, and the default gateway is FE80 double colon 1. And billing, and okay, for billing and address and sales IP config, let's go to sales, take the copy, IPv6 base 64 the prefix, and the default gateway is FE80 double colon 1, and we have the design, desktop, IP configuration. For design, this is the IPv6 address, copy, paste, 64, and FE80 double colon 1. We have done the configurations for the clients. At the part 4, we'll test and verify the network connectivity. And step 1, we'll open the server web pages from clients. So we will select any clients that we configured and we have here, and we'll try to open the server page. Let's take billing, and we'll go to web browser, and from here we'll enter the IP address, IPv6 address of the accounting website, of the accounting server, and put it here in the URL. The URL is the uniform resources locator. This is the IP address, IPv6 address of the server, accounting server, and we'll hit go. And as we can see, the page of accounting has been opened. If you want to take the sales, we'll do the same with the sales. Go to here, that's opened. We'll go to engineering, for example, and close this one. Go to web browser. So it's working. You can do it with every and each host. You can try. And step 2, we want to ping the ISP. This is the ISP. The ISP is internet server service provider. Open any client. Let's open anyone. Let's open billing. Close this one and go to command prompt, and the IP address for the ISP is this one. Copy and ping, paste, hit enter, and we can see it's connected. Repeat the ping command with the other clients with full connectivity verification. If you want to see we'll take one more. We'll take engineering, and the command prompt, we'll use the same IP address, paste, so it's connected. So this was everything about this lab. We learned how to configure the IPv6 address on the router and servers and the clients, and we learned how to connect, how to verify the addressing implementation, and how to verify the connectivity. Uh, Keep practicing. You can do it by yourself. Keep practicing. Cisco needs practicing. And good luck. Thank you for watching.